What I wish I knew about Ginkgo Natto when I started my health journey. Ginkgo Natto is a combination of two powerful ingredients, Ginkgo biloba and natto. Ginkgo biloba is a tree native to China that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. Its leaves are known for their ability to improve brain function, enhance memory, and increase focus. On the other hand, natto is a traditional Japanese food made from fermented soybeans. It's packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and digestion. When these two ingredients are combined, they create a superfood that offers a wide range of health benefits. It's time to get the scoop. Ginkgo Natto is not just a supplement, it's a lifestyle choice. Incorporating it into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. The probiotics in natto help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthy gut can also boost your immune system, making you less susceptible to illnesses. Meanwhile, the Ginkgo biloba in Ginkgo Natto enhances cognitive function, helping you stay sharp and focused throughout the day. Ginkgo Natto is a powerhouse combo. The combination of Ginkgo biloba and natto creates a synergistic effect, meaning that the benefits of each ingredient are amplified when they are taken together. This makes Ginkgo Natto a unique and powerful addition to your health regimen. Whether you're a student looking to improve your academic performance, a professional aiming to enhance your productivity, or simply someone who wants to maintain optimal health, Ginkgo Natto can help you achieve your goals. Ginkgo, known for boosting brain function, and natto, a fermented soybean packed with probiotics. Ginkgo biloba has been extensively studied for its cognitive benefits. It is believed to improve blood flow to the brain, which can enhance memory, attention, and mental clarity. This makes it an excellent supplement for anyone looking to boost their brain power. Natto, on the other hand, is rich in nattokinase, an enzyme that has been shown to support cardiovascular health by promoting healthy blood circulation and reducing the risk of blood clots. Together, they can enhance memory, focus, and even digestion. The combination of Ginkgo biloba and natto in Ginkgo Natto provides a comprehensive approach to health. By supporting both cognitive function and gut health, Ginkgo Natto helps you feel your best both mentally and physically. Regular consumption of Ginkgo Natto can lead to improved memory, better focus, and enhanced digestion, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Imagine acing that test or breezing through your workday. With Ginkgo Natto, you can achieve peak mental performance. The cognitive benefits of Ginkgo biloba can help you stay focused and retain information more effectively, making it easier to excel in your studies or work. Meanwhile, the probiotics in natto support a healthy gut, which can improve your overall energy levels and mood. This means you'll not only perform better, but also feel better throughout the day. Plus, it's rich in vitamin K2, which helps keep your bones strong. Vitamin K2 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in bone health. It helps regulate calcium metabolism, ensuring that calcium is deposited in the bones where it's needed, rather than in the arteries where it can cause harm. This makes Ginkgo Natto an excellent choice for anyone looking to support their bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. It's like a superhero snack for your body and mind. Ginkgo Natto provides a wide range of health benefits that can help you feel your best every day. By supporting cognitive function, gut health, and bone health, Ginkgo Natto acts like a superhero for your body and mind. Whether you're looking to improve your mental performance, support your digestive health, or maintain strong bones, Ginkgo Natto has you covered. So next time you're looking for a health kick, think Ginkgo Natto. Incorporating Ginkgo Natto into your daily routine is easy and convenient. You can take it as a supplement or add it to your meals for an extra boost of nutrition. Whether you're shopping for healthy foods or preparing a meal, Ginkgo Natto is a versatile and delicious addition to your diet. Its unique combination of Ginkgo biloba and natto provides a powerful health boost that can help you feel your best every day. Your future self will thank you. By making Ginkgo Natto a part of your daily routine, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. The benefits of Ginkgo Natto go beyond just physical health. They also extend to mental and emotional well-being. With improved cognitive function, better digestion, and stronger bones, you'll feel more energized, focused, and happy. Your future self will thank you for making the choice to incorporate Ginkgo Natto into your life. So why wait? Start your journey to better health today with Ginkgo Natto. Chapter 2. The History of Ginkgo Natto. Ginkgo Natto has been a staple in Japanese cuisine for centuries. This chapter will explore its origins and cultural significance. Let's travel back in time to ancient Japan, where the story of natto begins. Natto, the fermented soybean dish, was first mentioned in historical records over 1,000 years ago. It is believed that natto was discovered accidentally when cooked soybeans were stored in rice straw, which naturally contains Bacillus subtilis, the bacteria responsible for fermentation. This serendipitous discovery led to the creation of a food that would become a cornerstone of Japanese cuisine. In contrast, Ginkgo biloba has an even older history dating back to ancient China over 2,500 years ago. The ginkgo tree, often referred to as a living fossil, has been revered for its medicinal properties. Ancient Chinese texts highlight the use of ginkgo leaves to treat various ailments, particularly those related to the brain and memory. The fusion of these two ancient ingredients, Ginkgo biloba and natto, into Ginkgo Natto is a relatively modern development. This combination represents a beautiful blend of East Asian culinary traditions and holistic health practices. By merging the brain-boosting benefits of Ginkgo biloba with the digestive health benefits of natto, Ginkgo Natto offers a unique synergy that has captured the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide. Culturally, natto has long been cherished in Japan, not just for its health benefits, but also for its symbolic significance. It's often associated with strength and resilience, qualities that are deeply valued in Japanese society. Ginkgo biloba, on the other hand, is a symbol of longevity and endurance, often planted near temples and homes in China and Japan as a sign of protection and prosperity. As we delve into the rich history of Ginkgo Natto, it becomes clear that this superfood is more than just a health supplement. It carries with it centuries of tradition, culture, and wisdom. By incorporating Ginkgo Natto into your daily routine, you're not just nourishing your body and mind, you're also connecting with a legacy that spans millennia. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll explore how to integrate Ginkgo Natto into your diet with simple and delicious recipes. Your journey to better health continues with Ginkgo Natto. Chapter 3. Nutritional benefits of Ginkgo Natto. Ginkgo Natto is not just a cultural treasure, it's a nutritional powerhouse. In this chapter, we'll delve into the numerous health benefits of incorporating Ginkgo Natto into your diet. First, let's talk about digestion. Natto is rich in probiotics, specifically Bacillus subtilis, which help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. These beneficial bacteria aid in digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and can even boost your immune system. The high fiber content in natto also helps regulate bowel movements, making it an excellent food for digestive health. Now let's shift our focus to brain function. Ginkgo biloba is renowned for its cognitive benefits. Studies have shown that Ginkgo biloba can improve memory, enhance mental clarity, and even reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. The antioxidants in Ginkgo biloba help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and support overall brain health. But the benefits don't stop there. Ginkgo Natto is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Natto is an excellent source of vitamin K2, which is crucial for bone health and cardiovascular function. It also contains significant amounts of vitamins B2, B6, and E, as well as minerals like iron, magnesium, and calcium. These nutrients work together to support various bodily functions and promote overall well-being. Additionally, the combination of natto and Ginkgo biloba creates a unique synergy that enhances the benefits of both ingredients. The anti-inflammatory properties of Ginkgo biloba complement the probiotic benefits of natto, creating a holistic health food that supports both the mind and body. Incorporating Ginkgo Natto into your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your health. Whether you add it to your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the nutritional benefits are undeniable. From improved digestion to enhanced brain function, Ginkgo Natto is a superfood that truly lives up to its name. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we will share some simple and delicious recipes to help you easily integrate Ginkgo Natto into your daily meals. Your journey to better health continues with Ginkgo Natto. Chapter 4. How to prepare Ginkgo Natto. Now that you know the incredible nutritional benefits of Ginkgo Natto, let's dive into how you can prepare this superfood at home. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. We'll guide you through the step-by-step process, sharing some tips and tricks along the way to ensure you get the best results. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need Ginkgo biloba leaves, soybeans, and a natto starter culture, which contains the beneficial Bacillus subtilis bacteria. You can find these items at most health food stores or online. Step 1. Preparing the soybeans. Start by soaking the soybeans in water for about 12 to 18 hours. This will soften them and make them easier to cook. After soaking, drain the soybeans and rinse them thoroughly. Next, cook the soybeans until they are tender. You can do this by boiling them in water for about 3 to 4 hours or using a pressure cooker for faster results. Once cooked, drain the soybeans and let them cool to room temperature. Step 2. Preparing the Ginkgo biloba. While your soybeans are cooking, you can prepare the Ginkgo biloba leaves. Rinse the leaves under cold water to remove any dirt and pat them dry with a clean towel. Then, chop the leaves finely to release their beneficial compounds. Step 3. Fermentation. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked soybeans with the chopped Ginkgo biloba leaves. Mix well to ensure the leaves are evenly distributed. Next, add the natto starter culture to the mixture and stir gently to incorporate. Transfer the mixture into a shallow container, spreading it out evenly. Cover the container with a clean cloth or plastic wrap, leaving a small gap for air circulation. Place the container in a warm, humid environment to ferment for 24 to 48 hours. The ideal temperature for fermentation is around 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use an oven with the light on or a fermentation box to maintain the right conditions. Step 4. Storing and serving. Once the fermentation process is complete, your Ginkgo Natto is ready to be enjoyed. Store it in the refrigerator to halt the fermentation process and keep it fresh. Ginkgo Natto can be eaten on its own, added to salads, mixed into rice, or used as a topping for various dishes. And there you have it, preparing. Ginkgo Natto at home is a rewarding process that allows you to enjoy this superfood in its freshest form. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll share some simple and delicious recipes to help you integrate Ginkgo Natto into your daily meals. Your journey to better health continues with Ginkgo Natto. Chapter 5. Delicious recipes with Ginkgo Natto. Now that you've mastered the art of preparing Ginkgo Natto at home, it's time to explore some delicious ways to incorporate this superfood into your meals. Whether you're a fan of traditional dishes or looking to experiment with modern twists, we've got you covered. Let's dive into our first recipe. Ginkgo Natto rice bowl. Start by cooking your favorite type of rice. Once the rice is ready, transfer it to a bowl and top it with a generous serving of Ginkgo Natto. Add some finely chopped green onions, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, and a splash of soy sauce for an extra burst of flavor. Mix well and enjoy this simple yet nutritious meal. Next up, we have Ginkgo Natto salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, and shredded carrots. Add a spoonful of Ginkgo Natto and toss everything together. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, a dash of salt and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and give it a good toss. This refreshing salad is perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. For those who love a bit of a crunch, try our Ginkgo Natto sushi rolls. Lay a sheet of nori on a bamboo sushi mat and spread a thin layer of sushi rice over it. Arrange a row of Ginkgo Natto, avocado slices, and julienned carrots along the center. Roll it up tightly and slice into bite-sized pieces. Serve with soy sauce and pickled ginger for a delightful sushi experience. If you're in the mood for something warm and comforting, our Ginkgo Natto miso soup is a must-try. In a pot, bring some dashi stock to a gentle boil. Add a spoonful of miso paste and stir until dissolved. Toss in some tofu cubes, wakame seaweed, and a spoonful of Ginkgo Natto. Let it simmer for a few minutes, then serve hot. This nourishing soup is perfect for a cozy evening. And for a unique twist, try our Ginkgo Natto smoothie. In a blender, combine a handful of spinach, a ripe banana, a spoonful of Ginkgo Natto, a cup of almond milk, and a drizzle of honey. Blend until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is a great way to start your day with a boost of nutrients. We hope these recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and make Ginkgo Natto a regular part of your diet. Remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle is variety and balance. Experiment with different ingredients and find what works best for you. Stay tuned for more exciting content and tips on living a healthier life with Ginkgo Natto. Your journey to better health continues.